Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today I would like to dive in and show you all how I go about relieving itching from fresh tattoos. Now, within this video, if you see or hear anything that you may have questions on, please, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into this. So itching is completely normal during the healing stages of a tattoo. No matter if it's a smaller tattoo or a larger tattoo, we're gonna experience some sort of itching. I personally have on all of my tattoos. The bigger the tattoo, the more itching I've experienced, and it is because the body is healing itself the same way as it would any other wound. So again, there's going to be some sort of itching involved. Now, what I go ahead and do is I use a couple of things, and there is a secret weapon in which I'm going to show you here in this video. So you can either use something along the lines of Bactine, as I'm going to show you here. So for those who aren't familiar with Bactine, this is what Bactine looks like. You can use a Bactine to go ahead and soothe the skin first, and then you can put a layer of thin lotion or a thin layer of lotion over after. And for me personally, for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the Bactine along with the Inkeeze Ink Lock, as you can see right here. So stay with me. I'm going to share with you how I go about applying the Bactine and Ink Lock in a manner that we can go ahead and provide instant relief for any itching tattoo. And the secret weapon is textured gloves. As you can see, this glove right here has pyramids like embedded into the glove, and I use those textures of the glove to gently glide over the tattoo to provide instant relief for any itching tattoo. And I'm going to show you in depth on how I actually go about wiping a tattoo down. That way we don't over wipe and damage a healing tattoo. So if you are going to be getting a larger size tattoo, or really any tattoo at all, from a large size to a blackout small tattoo, I would recommend getting these textured gloves prior to getting the tattoo, so that way you can have them and pretty much repeat this process on your end. I will leave links for you in the description below so you can check them out. Let's go ahead and get into how I go about actually providing relief for the itching tattoo. So as you can see, I'm going to start with the Bactine, and this is a fresh tattoo and it is actually itching the client right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray Bactine all over it, and I'm going to pretty much saturate it, and I'm going to get my glove here and I'm going to simply glide it. I'm not applying any sort of pressure or anything like that. I'm just simply gliding over the tattoo, so that way it provides a sense of relief. And instantly when I started gliding over the tattoo, the client felt the instant relief. I personally choose to start with Bactine first over lotion, because Bactine has lidocaine, which is also going to numb and provide a little bit more relief after we're done with this process. So that's why I choose to go ahead and glide with Bactine first and then ointment after. Allow me to show you up close here. So as you can see, everything's saturated with Bactine, and I'm only going to simply glide the textures over the skin, and this right here is more than enough. You don't have to go fast. You can go ahead and move it in a manner that's comfortable for you on your end, and you just want to simply go back and forth until you've reached a desired point of comfortability. I would like to confirm here that I'm not by any means approaching tattoo itching as if we're scratching. I'm simply using textured gloves and gliding over the skin to provide a sense of relief. That's all that we are doing here, and this is effective. This is more than enough. I just want to point out, please don't go in and fully apply pressure as if we're scratching tattoos. Please don't scratch your new tattoos, is all I'm trying to say. So let's get into the lotion now. As you can see, I have the Inkeeze Ink Lock right here, and you could apply whatever is necessary for the ratio and tattoo size you have on your end. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this size amount right here, and I'm gonna work it into the areas that are providing or that are giving the most itch right now, which is this side. And as you can see, all I'm doing is I'm just gliding it over the skin, and the pyramids, the textured gloves, are doing all of the work for me. I don't need to press down. I don't need to do any of that or anything crazy. Just simply glide the glove over the skin. Now, of course, you're going to want to repeat this process, applying lotion over the entire tattoo, because when the tattoos are healing, you want to have a thin layer of lotion to keep it moist. You don't want to saturate or anything crazy like that either. Just simply apply a thin layer of lotion, and you can repeat this as necessary. You don't want to let your fresh tattoos get dry. That's kind of what we're trying to avoid here. Now, applying the lotion over the entire tattoo site is how we basically finish. By now, we should have some sort of sense of relief, or we should have felt some sort of relief along the way, and I hope that I can help you in that manner. Now, if you have any questions about anything that you saw or heard throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Now, I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate the support on there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.